Why are there not more people talking about using AI for investing? Seriously, it's like having a financial genius in your pocket. Okay, here's the deal. Investing in mutual funds can be tricky, but with ChatGPT you get all the info you need in seconds. Just type in your questions, and boom. ChatGPT gives you the lowdown on fund performance, risks, and even tips tailored to your goals. Imagine asking, "Hey ChatGPT, what's the best mutual fund for long-term growth?" and getting a clear, easy-to-understand answer without digging through endless articles. It's like having a cheat sheet to wealth. Plus, ChatGPT can help you compare funds, understand fees, and even break down complex jargon into simple terms. So, no more getting lost in financial gobbledygook. You're in control. So, if you want to make smart, informed decisions and feel confident about your investments, give ChatGPT a try. It's like having a money-savvy buddy who's always there to help. Unlock wealth with AI and let ChatGPT reveal the secrets of mutual funds. Happy investing.